Hello guys, this is with marketingintelligence.com and I would like to welcome you to another great video on how you can make money online. Today I'm really excited to show you a step-by-step on how you can start generating money with Yoonla involved. This video is to take you step-by-step on how you can start creating your account and proceed from there, which is very important. If you are a newbie, you're just going in to internet marketing, Yoonla involved is the best way to go, guys. Please stay with me all the way to the end to see all the steps and tricks. Do click here on the subscribe button. Click the subscribe button in order to follow my channel and stay tuned for the rest of the series of the video about EULA, because I'm gonna push and help you guys as much as possible with this, because it's a great way to make money. So with no further ado, let's go ahead and start with this. All right, guys. So how you start, guys, what I want you to do, below my video, in this video on here on YouTube, you're gonna see this link. You under the description, just click here when it says click here for my #1 recommendation. Click it. All right, you're gonna come to this page, guys. What I would like you to do, enter your email and then click get instant access. Now what you will see here, guys, is a video from my mentor that I'm following and he's helping me out a lot, so you can see proof about EULA and why this is amazing. If you click in here and see the video, you're gonna see how my mentor John Michael is flying with this. It's considered to be one of the top EULA marketeers, and I'm following John, and he's been really helpful and great for us, and now I'm sharing this as well. So what I would like you to do is just to, if you want to spend a couple of minutes, watch the video here, and when you're ready, the only thing you need to do is just free, again it's free, create my account, and then you're just gonna put your information here, your name, your email, and then create my account. Yeah, so once you do this, you're gonna see this page. Thank you, please activate your account. So what you need to do is go to your email, and through your email you're gonna receive a mail from EULA asking you to activate your account. Simple as that. Yeah, so what we're gonna do is go back to your mail. Yeah, open your email, and through your email you're gonna see the EULA invitation. So what I would like you to do, guys, is just go here when it says activate your EULA account, click on it, and you're gonna be taken officially on the EULA account page. Yeah, so once again, what I would like you to do is to enter your information and from here activate your membership. So just give me 1 second to do it. Okay, guys, so when you're ready, you put your information, all you need to do is to activate your membership and you go from there. This is it, guys. Now you're officially part of EULA involved. Yeah, so this is where you're gonna be taken. This is the officially page of EULA, and from here you will be able to see a welcome video, which is from Rino. Rino is the creator of EULA, one of the best internet marketers out there, and the reason he did EULA involved is to help people.
Welcome to the EULA Evolve.
This is Rino, which I believe he's doing an amazing job. He did a great job with this platform, and he's trying to help people who's just starting right now to take it to the next level, to start making some money and to get some financial freedom. So this is a welcome video, and you go from there. Yeah, so Rino is not just helping step by step here, and you can see also once you become a EULA Elite member, let me tell you in a second how that works. Yeah, you'll be invited and get assistance not only from Rino himself, from the EULA best marketeers through the Facebook account. So once you become an Elite member, you become part of this EULA Involved Elite Facebook group, and you'll be able to see all these questions, people interacting one by one. Guys, this is great help, great stuff. I really love this. So going back, yeah, now what you need to do, I would like to and suggest you guys to do, is use right now, which is for a free limited time, become a EULA Elite member. So first, what I would like you to do is just spend a couple of minutes to watch this video, what is EULA all about, and how you are able to get commissions, how you can create an automation account, how to set up the automate campaign, create a small business account, step by step, guys. Just spend a few minutes, yeah? You're just starting on this, and it's great to know what it's all about, yeah? So just spend a few minutes, and once you're ready, what I would like you to do, when you're ready, and if you want, is to create a Get Your Elite account. It's usually $297, but you can get it for free for a limited time, yeah? So I don't know if you are able to see here people from all around the world that are upgrading on my upper right side down. So what I would like you to do, if when you click here, it will guide you on how to move to your Elite account, and it gives you step by step on what you do. So what you will require, guys, is from step 1 is to open an autoresponder account. Okay, yes. Autoresponder, guys, it's what every single business should have. It's like for these guys is get response. So with get response, what you will do, you will get an account, and for a start, you see you have different type of packages. Let's start with the lower one. You don't need to go with the Pro, Max, and Enterprise. You'll be able to have a list of 1,000 people, and believe me, you're gonna start growing steadily but gradually. So what you're gonna happen, start with the email, which is the first one. You're gonna have you can send automated emails with get response up to 1,000 people, and it's $15 per month. So this is step 1. Get response is an autoresponder that is able to send you automatic emails to your subscribers and guide you and drive them towards on what you need. Every single business should have, if not already, something like get response and automated emails. And the second part you're gonna need in step 2, yeah, is, as I tell you here, to set up a hosting plan. Hosting plan is basically where you're gonna have your domain, your page, where people would be directed once you're up and running. So you're gonna have a page, a small landing page or website where you're gonna have all your information. So this is again on step 2. You click here, they give you a suggestion. If you don't have a website already, you can use already a domain, then it's great to start from here. So you can see again that you will be able to start from anywhere from $259 a month, and this is a price that Yoonla did a great job where they get usually is about $7 to $8 a month. Now guys, this is the 2 steps. Once you do it, you come back here and you fill up this form. Basically here you're gonna put your name, your email, and then you're gonna put your domain name that you create in here, yeah, on this step. You're gonna put your small business username, your Yahoo business password, where you're gonna be connected. Basically, this is for your domain. Your get response order ID, your get response, you'll be getting it from get response. And once you're ready, you will be able to start using it. Get order ID and API key is getting from get response. Now, I would like you, if not already, you can refer the affiliate ID, which is gonna be my affiliate ID. You will be able to see it on the description below this video. It would be highly appreciated. And what I'm trying to do with this, if you enter my affiliate ID, I will invite you to my Facebook account like Reno has. I'm following with people that I interact through the guidance of Reno, through the guidance of my mentor, and I'm trying to help with all this stuff that I'm learning the last few months. All the time, all the money I put down for the various marketing intelligent tools and tricks, I will show you through my Facebook accounts. Once you use my affiliate ID, you can be invited, be part of this group, and we as a family, we can share together all this stuff. But you're gonna have a heads up, because I will give you all the information and tricks needed for all the stuff that I used the last few months, so you can avoid losing time and extra energy and money. So once you do all this, you do the agree to the terms, you come here and you are good to go. You can start using and generating money. Guys, upgrading to elite is one of the best things you can do. What you're gonna need is, for 1 month, which is, it's a fair time to see if this is working for you, yeah? So you can have $2.59 and $15. So with less than $20, you can start working with this. You can become member of the EULA Elite. You will be part of the EULA Elite Facebook. You can see all these thousands of people here sharing tricks on how you can use it, yeah? And you can start generating money. So this is it, guys. This is what I'm doing. Let's go really fast. What I would like you to do: number one, click the link below my video. See under my description, the recommendation. You'll be going to my to the page, as I told you, to unlock. You can see the video from my mentor as well. Click the subscribe button, enter your email, go to your email account, click the activate link from EULA, come to the EULA, like here, come to the EULA account. This is your email, just click it, come to the EULA page, watch the videos. You can upgrade while it's free to the elite, and then you be able to unlock, once you are a part of it, you will be able to unlock all this stuff, which is gold. If you ask me, it's gold, guys. And then you'll be able to start pushing from there. Enter your information, create the domain and website, and start making some money. So guys, this is video 1 on how you are able to use EULA, yeah, on how you are able to get access to it, how you're able to get your hands on it, and go from there. So you'll see there is a lot of fuss about, a lot of people doing this, so there is a reason why there is a lot of fuss, because EULA is making money. You can search the internet, you can search everywhere and see that this is working. So what I would like you to do, start working on this, spend a few minutes and start making some money. As I told you, stay tuned. Do click here the subscribe button, click the subscribe on the lower right side, subscribe on my channel, and stay tuned, because I'm gonna give you a lot of videos and information in the next few days, a series of videos on how you'll be able to push after you create your account with free ways on you can get nice targeted traffic and start generating income from this one. And one last point, you can start making money out of this one from English speaking countries. All the referrals you send to your account, and they click on your referral account, and it's very easy, guys, because you can have people register because it's free. So each member that is registered to your account, you get some money. If it's an English speaking country like US, UK, Australia, Canada, and so, you get $4. For the rest, it's $2. So why not? Nothing to lose. And I'm showing you on the videos that are gonna be following soon on how you'll be able to get targeted traffic free with YouTube, with Instagram, with Twitter, and many other ways without have to pay a single cent. So what you have to lose, $15 right now for getting the get response that you'll be able to use for something else if you want as well. A hosting page, which is for $3. You can start with a landing page for $3, and again, every single person should have one if you haven't already, and you start using those to make money. So this is it, guys. This is what I wanted to show you today. I hope you really enjoyed this video. I really want you to start making some money. EULA works, EULA pays, and you're gonna be loving this. So thank you. If you did like this video, don't forget to thumbs up, click subscribe button on the right side, and let's do this. I want to hear from you guys. I want to hear that this is working. Give me comments. Let's do this. Thank you, guys. Have an amazing day ahead and start making good money to change your lives. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much.